So we already spent some time talking about AI tools. So let's talk about the actual tools. What are the key AI tools? There are many tools, and I'm pretty sure there are new ones every day, but there are some that are dominant because of how many people use them, and others just because their capabilities are such that they're better than some of the others. So let's talk about them. I think you can guess which one the first one will be. And yes, you were probably right. It's ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT is the OG of AI. It was the first one to market. It's not like we didn't have AI in some forms before. And some of the original research that led to this was made by researchers at Google, for example. But this whole sort of AI age, whatever you want to call it, really was launched on November 30th, 2022, when ChatGPT was released and got its first 1 million users in the first day, right? We recently did some surveying of Tulane students, and we found, to no surprise, right, that 8 out of 10 Tulane students in the spring of 2025 said that they use AI, and basically all of them said they used ChatGPT, and almost none of them said they used any other tools. So ChatGPT very much has a dominant position, to the degree that most of the time when you talk about AI, for most people they just hear ChatGPT, right? So let's talk about ChatGPT. It is a very good AI tool. It is a tool that has many functions. It's changing over time. If you've been an AI sort of ChatGPT user for a while, you certainly notice how things are changing with it. But it generally has all the capabilities that any other tool has. In most cases, if you are going to be, let's say, a casual user of AI and you're only going to have one tool that you're going to use, you're probably going to want that to be ChatGPT. It's a very good all-rounder. There are very few things that it can't do, and it does most things fairly well. So you can chat with it, obviously. You can upload documents. You can also download documents, which it's fairly unique in that respect. You can give it one format document and ask it to give you another format of the same and download that, right? You can speak to it, right? So it has voice mode. It has images. You could give it images or even video that it can see, and it can generate images for you. It can write and run code to do math or to do other things, to write little pieces of software. You can have it make a game for you. You can generally use ChatGPT for most things. And that is exactly what most people do.